One owner car guy, oneownercarguy.com. And what I've got here for you today is the exterior review of this very nice 1995 Mercedes-Benz E320 wagon. W124, baby. And this is a one owner, I think it's 104 or 108, I don't know. I'll show you the miles in a little while. 100 and change, barely broken in for one of these. And last year edition and all that, this is a hard car to find, especially in black. And it's clean. I'll go around and show you any dents, dings, or scratches. And there's a couple of those, but there ain't much to talk about as far as body damage or anything. You can see right there on that back bumper, a piece of the bumper foam from where it got a little crack in the bumper cover. So that's the little kind of things like that. There's a couple things. I'll go over anything like that. This car is for sale. And it's getting rare to find something in this shape, in this one owner, well-maintained, nice little car, especially in the facelifted 95 model, especially in the wagon. They just don't see the wagons much. So I'm going to get right to showing you the car. oneownercarguy.com for all sorts of pictures, 60, 70 pictures of this car. And also check out my, subscribe here on YouTube. I do all kinds of videos every week, reviews and such, and all kinds of classic oddities and different kinds of cars. I'm going to show you underneath. It's a clean car. These things have different shields on that keep you from seeing different things, but it's not leaking all over or nothing like that. I replaced a little Y-pipe thing for the antifreeze, and we replaced a window regulator and a mirror. And that's basically what we had to do to it. Ran good all the way from LA to, well, Anaheim to Ventura. Across the hood, as some of the paint gets, you got the little checks. It's not chips, it's checks. And the paint's checking, or whatever. Oh man, how could I take pictures with that being out of order? I'm gonna have to take my pictures over. You can't leave a... Come on, Gunner! Okay, that's my help. He must have knocked it off on accident. It's not on purpose, but you gotta have your hood ornament straight. I'm gonna shut this off and make a couple pictures. Okay, got that. This fender is the worst part on the car. It's got the clear coat fade going on, baby. That's all there is to say about it. And across the hood, that checking on it is not... you can see it when you get up on it. From back here, you really can't... No, it's just when you get up on it, you can see a few chips in the front of it here. And the chrome is good. We haven't... I'm polishing it with my finger. We didn't even polish it. I mean, this is just a quick detail job. That has to be... We got to up our level of service here. My goodness. Got a couple chips in it like that. Fading on the plastic bumpers, bumper covers, whatever you want to call them. A little chippy. Nothing's really chipped, but a little scrapes here and there. A little scrape, 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 a scrape, scrape. However, look at the underneath. All that's there. Even the tow hook cover. It's usually gone. Thermometers in here and stuff, I think. Other than that, that's your front end. Going down the sides, it's a clean truck. It's a clean car. Little clear coat fade starting here. It's pretty straight. There's a couple scratches right here, 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 here. There's a ding there. Let me look at it back the other way. The antenna doesn't work. Needs to be replaced. Glass is all good. That big chink in the bumper cover there. And scratch, and little scratches here and there. Nothing too serious on it. And a couple little here and there, and you can... Why paint this thing, man? Just drive the heck out of it. It's a good, economical car that's only going to go up in value. Scratches right here. Drive it like it is, and after you use it and put 100,000 miles on it, maybe you can paint it later if you want to. But for the price it is and the price of a new car, I'm telling you what, I know what I'd rather drive. Nice tires. Look to have just been put on. This is 95% tread or so. It's a P20565 Kelly. And this one is a Kelly. Looks like he put a brand new set of them on there. They're nice, man. Lenses are good. Light scratch there. Fading on this. Chip in that. You can see there's light chips and stuffs along that. Chip there. Chip there. Basically, this part of the bumper cover could be replaced and you'd be all good. The lens has a smudge on it there. There's no cracks. Little chips and a little ding right around it here. He just scraped by something, just a teeny bit. A little scratch, a couple little scratch, scratchity scratch, scratch, scratch. That's that. I'm gonna go back by this, show you again. Let's look at these scratches again. I just don't see very much of any dings. Oh man, it's straight. Straight car. Little marks here and there for the little scratchy. There's a ding. And the cladding's all in good shape. Paint's all good on it. Mirror type tint on that. And yeah, man, it's a whole set. Beautiful tires. And these wheels, they're in good shape. Clear coat's starting to come off in a couple spots, as it does on them. I'll show you on the other one here. It don't have the same problem as, so to speak. Wow, that one's not even curbed, man. Hey, rear wiper, roof rack, and all that's in good shape. This one is in pretty darn good shape. Not as good as that other one on the other side, but a couple marks on it. And this one, pretty good shape. Couple curb marks, little marks here, and a little mark bendy there in that thing. Nothing serious. It's going to throw you too far off. Just kind of aesthetically, I just want to show you everything about it that could even be considered an issue on the car. Okay, so that's your exterior review. I can't think of anything else on this car to talk about. Sunroof and all that, all the good options. Looks like factory paint. I can't see that they've been doing paint work on it. I haven't seen it go this bad on the side before though. It's just a good, cheap, economical, cheap to work on, and classic car. That's kind of a cult classic that lots of people are looking for. I'll tell you what, it's hard to find a W124 wagon like this. Okay, so oneownercarguy.com, 50-60 pictures of this car, and then make sure and subscribe here on YouTube. I'm going to take you down the road. We'll go for a test drive. Okay, I've had some issues with cameras and stuff. I'm at a different spot here, but I'm going to do the test drive for you. I'm going to click with the cork there is what this one does. But I'm down here where I usually turn around for my test drives. And I'm here to tell you, this car drives just so nice. I'm going to roll the window down a little bit. Ice cold air. I went over the options with you. I did it rather quick in the interior video the other day. You give this thing juice, it goes. It shifts right now like it should. This is a sweet, nice driving machine. I'll give you the sound with the window down. I'm going to get on the freeway. I'm going to do a little bit of a freeway test drive for you. Sometimes I do freeways with them, sometimes I don't. Just depends. Absolutely great driving car. Okay, the speedometer needle bounces a little bit. No big deal. Lots of cars I've had done it, but I'll be up front. Let me get around this corner and I'm going to floor it for you. There's 0 to merging speed like right now. I'm going to turn my AC up because it just feels good like that. And there we go. Nice AC, buddy. Okay, so on the road, this thing drives nice. This thing, this W124 wagon, getting rare to find, man. You just don't find a clean, low-mile machine like this, especially in the 95 model. It's just rare to find the last year models in this car. And this one, this guy took care of. You can tell there's a few scratches outside that I showed you and stuff. But the way it drives and the way it performs, I love this car. I love this car. I do. You know, honestly, they make 1,000+ horsepower kit for them, which is amazing because when you floor this thing, you got just plenty of power. These straight sixes are just powerful as can be. Snotty motor, and you get great fuel economy. My buddy had one that had a hitch and stuff, and he'd pull a boat and everything with it. And in Europe, they have hitches on most of their cars like this, and they pull all kinds of stuff around. But I'm just talking, I'm just rambling away because it's a great driver. Oh man, that motor just hums, baby. Like I say, when I got the car, we did a window regulator on it. We did a new mirror right there on it. and a couple coils. I think I took a coil off another and threw on it or something. But that was because of the detail, actually, I think. But just a little bit off on the way it ran. Now it just ran perfect. Because it ran perfect when I got it. And then after sitting, it kind of didn't run so perfect. And then we replaced that coil and bam! Run perfect again. So, any questions, you can call me. It's 406-546-8748. I'm going to go ahead and shut this off, and I'll clip it on when I hit the city drive in here. Okay, I'm back in town, and I was going to see my woman for dinner. I just wanted to give you the whole zoot there to where you can see how this thing runs. Runs great. And I got my woman texting me, so I have to text her. I'm here. I was just doing a test drive around the block. See you in a minute. So I think I can turn here. I'm in an area I don't really know. I'm here to tell you, as far as just running and driving, this is such a smooth shifting, driving, braking, riding car. Did I say lots of things there? I did say lots of things there because there's a lot to say about this car. Let's see, yeah, I turn on Johnson. And I'm gonna give you the sound here of this thing. Without speeding, I just want you to see that this thing revs out nice. Everything about this car, it just runs so smoothly. These cars are one of the most reliable, just awesome cars there are. And you know, it's hard to find wagons nowadays. You just don't see wagons anymore. So, getting rare. Border Patrol! They're patrolling our borders. There ain't no border within 100 miles of here. But, well, not 100 miles. Maybe 15. Okay, well, that's your test drive. Speed bumps? Just rides. Oh my goodness, feel that. The shocks even feel good. And I'm here to tell you, this is an older car. You just might have to replace the shocks or an alternator or something. Who knows? Someday. Just because stuff goes out in these old cars. But right now, it's a running, driving machine. I'm going to roll the window up and give you an outro with it and say goodbye. Go get me my $1 Diet Coke. My lady's right here doing nursing on the kidney dialysis stuff and all that. So I'm going to see her. That's the deal. That's the test drive. That's the Benz. Absolutely beautiful car. If you got any questions, it's Nathan, 406-546-8748. And oneownercarguy.com. Make sure to subscribe here on YouTube. All kinds of videos every week. Thanks for watching, and we'll talk to you.